Do you aspire to get through to the best engineering colleges in India? Then learn from the comfort of home with best teachers from all over India with JEE Test Prep app by Extramarks. This app has been curated by JEE experts with several years of experience at producing under 100 ranks. This app has several features like Extramarks sessions, adaptive testing, ask a doubt, reports and analytics, and challenge friends. Extramarks sessions are live classes conducted by top JEE educators for ensuring concept clarity and resolving student doubts. These highly engaging and interactive classes simulate a real classroom-like experience but can be attended from anywhere. Worried about missing classes? Watch recorded sessions and replay, rewind and revise to your heart's content. These classes are conducted in English and Hindi to aid comprehension. Adaptive testing is another crucial feature wherein the difficulty level of questions adjusts to student performance. Through the app, students get access to daily practice papers, mock tests, national level weekly test series, previous year's question papers, and a unique Create Your Test feature through which students can make their own customizable subject and chapter tests. Being able to ask a doubt is important to ensure doubts do not derail student preparation. Students can ask their doubts and get resolutions in real time during live sessions. They can also submit their doubts, which our faculty members resolve and communicate to the student. Students can also request for special doubt-solving sessions, which our faculty gladly provides. Extensive reports and analytics are generated by Extramarks to help students identify areas of gap in strength, learn their peer ranking, get topic-wise and difficulty-wise analysis, understand mastery over chapters and topics, and to manage their time well. Overwhelmed by all the prep? Challenge friends to a quiz. Take a break from learning while answering questions from your favorite topic through this feature and improve your leaderboard rank. Not just this, you also get offline access to learning modules through My Downloads feature so that learning can go on seamlessly. Your best route to JEE success, JEE Test Prep app by Extramarks. Go the extra mile with Extramarks.